We stopped counting the years after 1988. Time is now measured in minutes left to live. 18 to reach the top of Skymelt Tower. 18 before your heart explodes. 18 before you lose everything. In Black Future 88, time is the currency of revenge. For a world left in ruins, a world destroyed by nuclear fire. Spend it well, or start again. Who are you? Tough choices start now. Skills, health, or the right arsenal. You can't have everything. Choose wisely. Different weapons are better for different situations and enemies. Information is power. All yours is stored in the Codex, a compendium of potential destruction. Dash to the top of the tower. Choose buffs and curses. Trade your humanity for power. Combine weapons, buffs, and skills to create a whole new level of chaos. But remember your purpose. 18 minutes to the top. Run out of blood, you die. Run out of time, you die. But even death has its benefits. Gain levels, weapon, and buff unlocks. Never give up. The world isn't devoid of hope. Hidden dealers sell weapons, blood packs, ammo crates, and stims. Discover companions by unlocking the tower's secrets. Team up with allies in local co-op. Or steal their assets and turn them into enemies. Make no mistake, the tower will upgrade with any abandoned resources at its disposal, and Skymelt won't hesitate to use them. You must be quick and deadly, but if you persist, you can deliver the death the Wardens deserve. Your time starts now.
Dreams feel so painful. Sparkling rainbow dust angels making hearts feel so shameful.
What a cute dog. Oh, hey, what are you doing here? A trailer? Oh, of course it's ready. So, I think it should be right. Yeah, I'll go get it for you. So, please, just wait 30 seconds.
I didn't make a trailer!
Okay, don't panic. Let's just capture something from the game. Is this a good shot? No. This is... Didn't I fix that? This seems like... Oh, come on! No. How much time is left? 10 seconds, great. 10 seconds! Okay, got it. I gotta work fast. What about time here? 5! Okay. No. Why? Sorry, I kept you waiting. Here it is. Do not buy this game. I didn't put that in there, did I?
Increasing numbers. Is there anything better? I didn't think so.
History of Liverpool FC, easiest pick of my life, more views.
What? Red-tailed black cockatoo has more views than the football game.
This has to be more relevant, right? Guys, it's I'm
gonna go with D.
Oh no!
Dude, this is fun. I'm having a great time.
This is longer. Let's fucking go!
You know, like educational, kind of learn things, hear of things you never heard before. I think it's very cute.
This has more views. Cause it's dope.
They seem to be like long as hell. I'm fighting for my life out here.
Had a lot of fun with that. We'll probably do that again soon. It was a good time.
Oh, okay, not even close. Holy hell.
This will be longer. Are you... How many RNA structure prediction softwares are there?
I'm going longer on the school, man. For sure. Hey! Okay.
You got me. Dude, brilliant little game, though.
Christmas 1989. The setting of Last Christmas. A point-and-click adventure game made in 2 weeks.
Finally, I'm here. I've got a lot to do before Betty arrives in a few hours. I'd better get inside and start my list. Locked. Now, where do they keep the spare key? I know it's around here somewhere.
Alright, so now we have control. This is Frankie, by the way, everyone. And we have to help him arrange this cabin to have a lovely Christmas time with his girlfriend Betty. And yeah, this was made for the Adventure Jam of 2022, and we're gonna check out the game together.
Very Christmassy.
Alright, let's see here. So we have our list. Recipe for a perfect Christmas with Betty. Festive joy. We need decorate Christmas tree, roaring log fire, ooh, sweet, and kiss under the mistletoe. eat and drink. We need a festive dinner table, mulled wine, and for the romantic bath we need bubble bath, mood lighting, and mood music. And for the early night, which is, you know, ficky, silk sheets. All right. That's such a fake rock.
Suspicious.
Such a fake rock.
It's lighter than it looks.
Of course, it's a fake rock. That's what the key is, right? Come on, that's classic.
This isn't a real rock. It's made of plastic.
See?
How about that? It's the spare key to the cabin.
Nice. We got the key. What else we have?
The cupboard contains the lever that controls the supply of gas to the cabin. I should get inside first before...
Dear Sarah, it's been a while. I thought you might like to know what's been going on. Summer's just around the corner and I'm facing a busy work season. Miraculously, there's a whole weekend that I didn't get booked. It coincides right with the end of school, so I'm taking Jacob to Disney World. You would have loved how his face lit up when I had a lot of time. I hope this letter finds you. I will always love you and remember you fondly. Nina.
Is it not showing up for y'all?
Show up on the stream, but not in the Discord. That's fine.
Okay. Well, bear with me. I'm gonna... Hold on. If everybody... Thank you for your patience. I'm gonna try restarting Discord. Because that's annoying.
Okay.
Thanks for y'all's patience.
Meat and bun. That's
My mother-in-law.
my
The
hot
company
dog.
the company my mother-in-law works for, they make like this bacon pepper relish, and it's excellent.
Oh baby.
Alright.
We can
It's
see it now.
real good.
Hooray!
We can see it now.
There we go.
Okay. So I'm in this game. Nobody's telling me what to do. I just pressed a button and all the hot dogs are gone.
Yeah. So grab the red hand.
Uh-huh.
And go
And I...
squeeze the mustard.
I'm giving a
onto the hot
handy
dog.
into the mustard.
The
That's-
sound design is wonderful.
Tyler makes some pretty unique games. It just... I understand that this must be some sort of like dick metaphor, but I've never abused a dick that badly.
Anyway.
I mean, that's what this is supposed to be, ain't it? I can't imagine the dev made it without thinking that that's what it looked like. I'm loving the farting
Here's
noises
your
too.
mustard over a bunch of wieners.
What the fuck? What?
Let's get some.
Welcome to Time Bandit, a wholesome, comfy game that seems to provide an opportunity to get away. You've arrived in a new city where things move at a slower pace. You have a new job that involves pushing boxes and starting other tasks that you have to come back to later. In fact, everything you do takes time, and you have to manage your money, resources, and energy in order to make progress slowly. In this unique real-time adventure, you'll meet a cast of wacky characters in a story that unfolds through radio conversations and retro low-poly cutscenes over the course of actual days and weeks. Welcome to your first day of work. At first, the work is easy. It feels like a relaxing retreat from the busy world that you came from. But soon you start to suspect that something isn't quite right with this place. You're not sure why exactly the company you're working for wants the time crystals that you're collecting for them. And you begin to wonder if you should stop working. Anyway, the choice is yours. In Time Bandit, you're welcome to make as much or as little progress as you like. Make playing it a habit or a meaningful ritual. Maybe just enjoy watching the real-time sunsets along the beach. You have to stop working for the company. They plan to use the time crystals to live like immortal gods. The time crystals hold within them the power to slow, accelerate, and even reverse time.
Welcome to the team.
think that for my life to have any meaning, I would have to create something really great that...
I think I'd like to leave behind things that people enjoy. I don't... I think I'd like to leave behind things that people enjoy.
For me, I guess my hope is that I might inspire playfulness in others. I feel play is a powerful thing, and
I used to think that for my life to have any meaning, I would have to... I used to think...
I want to share with my community that the world we live in, the society we live in, is just a shadow of what it could be.
Deep along.
Liftoff. We have a lift.
Fresh.